Good morning, my non-stand students. How are you all? Okay, so I'm gonna start with the third question from practice set 1.1. In our previous video, we saw some examples and question number first and second from same practice set. That was homework for you also. Hope you have done with it. So, say start with the third question. From the information given below, find which of the point is made between the other two if the points are not collinear. State so. Here some questions are given with the 3 points. As we have seen in the examples, how to find out the middle point or the point which is lies in between the 3 points, and they are collinear or they are non-collinear. So how we have to find, as I showed you the first question in a live session. See this, distance PR is equal to 7, distance PQ is equal to 10, distance QR is equal to 3. So PQR, these are the 3 points, but we don't know about they are collinear or not collinear. Am I right? So first in the 3 distance we have to find out which is the bigger distance. So this is 7, 10 and 3. Which is the bigger distance? PQ is the bigger distance. It has 10. Okay. So first we have to write distance PQ is equal to 10, then distance PQ is equal to distance PR plus distance QR. The bigger one we have to take to the left hand side and the smaller distance we have to add them. So distance PQ is 10 plus distance PR is 7 plus distance QR is 3. So 10 is equal to 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. So this is 10 is equal to 10. It means what? Can you see that? This is PQ. PR and QR. Here which point you get the common? Point R. Point R is common in both. It means point R is between point B and C. Point R is between point P and Q. Point P and point Q. Like this we have to find out the between point. See the next question. Distance RS is equal to 8. Distance ST is equal to 6 and distance RT is equal to 4. RS 8, ST 6, RT 4. Which one has the biggest distance? Distance RS, that we have to write. Therefore, distance RS is equal to 8. Okay, then write distance RS is equal to distance ST plus distance RT. Okay, distance RT. RS is 8, ST 6 plus RT 4. 8 is equal to 6 plus 4, 10. So 8 is not equal to 10. Therefore, point, we have to write point R, S, T are non-collinear points. Collinear points. Like this you have to solve. Okay. It means they should come equal. If they are not, it means they are non-collinear points. So like this is the first and second question. You have to solve the further question. Here 6 questions are given, so you have to solve the further questions. So the question number 4. On the number line, point A, B and C are such that distance AC is equal to 10, BC is equal to 8. Find distance AB considering all possibilities. Have you get the question first? On the number line, point A, B and C, 3 points are there. The distance AC is 10. The distance BC is 8. Then we have to find the distance AB. Will you find it? See how we have to solve this. That was what? Question number 4. On the number line, point A, B and C. Okay. If this is number line, that you have to draw with the pencil and ruler. Okay. Number line A, B and C. Suppose 3 points are there. Point A, point B and point C. Okay. Distance AC is 10 centimeter. Which distance? Distance AC is 10. Distance BC is 8. This distance is 8. Then we have to find the distance AB. We have to find this distance. Will you find it out? By using the same way. See how will you write? Distance AC is equal to 10. Okay. then distance AC is equal to distance AB minus distance BC. Why I'm taking minus over here? Because the whole distance is given, and from that one distance is given, we have to find out the another one. So obviously when we will subtract, we will get this distance. So distance AC is equal to 10 is equal to AB that we have to find minus BC 8. Okay, BC 8. So now 10 is equal to, sorry, here we can write distance AB is equal to 10 minus 8. 10 minus 8. So distance AB will be 2. Distance AB will be 2. Can you see that? If this is 8, if this is 10, when we subtract 8 from 10, we will get 2. So distance AB will be 2. By the same method, with the same formula, we can find out the another distance. Okay. So that was the fourth question. See the fifth one. Point x, y, z are the collinear such that x, y is equal to 17, y, z is equal to 8. Find x, z. That you have to solve by using the same method. Okay. Then see question number 6. Sketch proper figure and write the answer of the following question. If point A, B and C, length AC 11, length BC 6.5, then length AB. Like this you have to draw the figure, then you have to solve it. Okay, so first question I'm going to show you. Okay, see the first question. Question number 6. If ABC, these are 3 points ABC. Length AC is equal to 11. Length BC is equal to 6.5. Length AB we have to find. Okay. So first we have to draw the figure by using pencil and ruler. If these are, will you tell me what this symbol showed? These showed these points are collinear points. Point A is collinear to B, point B is collinear to point C. It means point A will also be collinear to point C. Okay, by using this symbol we can show the collinear of points. Okay, so point A, suppose I'm taking point B and point C. Distance AC 11. Where is that AC? This AC is 11 and distance BC 6.5. This 6.5. Then we have to find out AB. Okay, by using the same method. Which is the biggest distance? Length AC. First we have to write length AC is equal to 11. Okay, then length AC is equal to length BC plus length AB. Get it? Bigger one we have to take to the left hand side, smaller length we have to take right hand side, or whatever we have to find. Okay, length AC is given 11 is equal to length BC 6.5 plus length AB. We will write as it is because that we have to find. Okay, now 11. The 6.5 is already with the positive sign. Whenever we will take to the left hand side of equal sign, it will comes with the negative sign. 6.5 is equal to length AB will be as it is. Then 11 minus 6.5. Now tell me, this is an international number and this is in a decimal fraction. How will you subtract it? To subtract the decimal number from the whole number, we have to write 11.0. Okay, 11.0, and this decimal point should below the decimal point, and this 5 and this will be 6. Get it? So 0 minus 5, 5. 11 minus 6, 11 minus 6, 5. है ना? 5. 5.5. So 5.5 is equal to length AB. Do it right. AB is equal to 5.5. Like this you have to solve. Draw your figure, write the formula, put the values and subtract it. So that was the first question from the question number 6 for the 2 questions that you have to solve. Okay. Then the next question, which figure is formed by 3 non-collinear points? Non-collinear points means the points which they are not lies on the same plane. Am I right? They do not lies on the same plane. See, these are collinear points. Why? Because when I will join them, we'll get the straight line, and the points which lie on the same plane or on the plane surface, they are collinear points. And what about non-collinear points? See, suppose these are non-collinear points because they lies here and there, and they do not have a same surface or the plane surface. If I will join them like this, you have to use ruler. Okay, if I will join them like this, so what kind of figure is formed? Triangle. You can give the name PQR. So you have to state, when we join three non-collinear points, we get the triangle. So here we have finished our practice set 1.1. Hope you have understand all about this. So try to solve the whole practice set in your notebook without fail. For this, thank you all of you. Take care.